This is my 1995 Ford Mustang. I had it since 1995. I'm gonna show you how I adjust my idle here on my vehicle. It's really easy to do. As you can hear it sounding like it's about to go dead. That idle need adjusting, and it probably also need a tune-up. But I'm gonna just show you the simple way how I adjust my idle here. So I'm gonna get into my vehicle. I'm gonna close the door, put sort of beeping. As you can see, the idle right here, it's right at 500 RPMs. And this is an older car, so I usually keep my idle here right at 800 or 900 RPMs. Watch when I put it into drive. You're gonna notice it's gonna go down. You see? And you can hear it's trying to go dead. So what I wanna do is idle it up. So I'm gonna put it back in park. So I'm finna go and make the I think that's good for this car. You know, it's right under 1,000, so we're looking at 900 RPMs. So that's how you increase it or decrease it. Pretty simple to do. Watch what happens when I put it into drive. It should go to about 500 RPMs, and that's exactly what I want. So that's all to it. That's how you idle up your Ford Mustang. This is a 1995 V6. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. You can go to my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. Thank you and have a great day.